Like I have 10 million things to do.
California. Oh my God, when it rains. All right, here we go. My son always laughs and says, "Mom, you're wearing a teacher fit." It's like itty bitty tree.
I'm sitting in the car waiting for Michael's and Home Goods to open. They're right next to each other, thank God. I already went to Lowe's this morning. I got my poinsettia. I only got 4, so that was good. And then I went to Old Navy, got some pajama pants. Now I'm gonna go in here and see if I can find a few ornaments and then go back home. It's 6:50 a.m. I left the house at 5:50 this morning because Lowe's opened at 6 and I knew it would be crowded for those poinsettias because it always is.
Good morning, it's Saturday. All right, I'm about to run some errands, but I wanted to show you what I was wearing. So I have this little cute Believe sweater that I got from Old Navy a few years ago. It's like Believe in the, what, Bigfoot? Santa Claus, Bigfoot, whatever. Black jeans, and then these cute little shoes that I got from Nordstrom Rack. They are, I forgot. I don't know, what did that say? Oh, Dr. Scholl's. I'm showing my age, but hey, they're comfortable. So here is the outfit. I gotta go to the grocery store and stuff and do some Secret Santa shopping. Here is the hair for the day. So I went back to one of my old hairstyles, ponytail on top. This is old hair. This is like 2 weeks old. This is before Thanksgiving old hair, but it's lasted, and I don't know. I think it's doing pretty well. So we'll go out, we'll run some errands, we'll come home, we'll wash my hair tonight. Yep, that's it. I'll see y'all later.
This is one of those days where I feel like I have 10 million things to do. I just came from Sprouts from the grocery store. Now I'm gonna go to return some stuff at the mall. It's only like 9:44 in the morning. I am a total morning person. I like to get up early and get stuff done and get back in the house. What about you?
Can you guess what day it is? Oh my gosh, I'm about to do a Target run. I got my dryer on the floor back there because I'm still drying my hair because I washed it this morning. Anyway, Sunday sweatshirt. This is Old Navy. These jeans, I'm like all Old Navy down. These jeans are Old Navy. These shoes are what I showed you already. I'll say it again, Dr. Scholl's, just in case it did not make the video cut. Anyway, crossbody Coach bag, which I love. I got this at Nordstrom. I'll have to do like a review on this. And then here's today's hair. It is still wet, but it's drying. Yes. All right, Target run. Bye. Good morning. It is raining today, believe it or not. It's, you know how they say it never rains in Southern California? Well, it's raining today. So anyway, let me just show you what I have on, talk about my hair a little bit. Let me go upstairs. Okay, so for the rain today, we have a sweater, thrifted. Jeans are Old Navy. And then these shoes are my cast on boots that I got from Nordstrom, which are turning out to be my most favorite boot. Okay, so the hair is it's old. Well, old as far as being braided up, right? So this is probably 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd day that it's braided up, and I am going to be taking this down tomorrow because I don't know, when you have like an updo that I actually kind of like do every morning, like I make my bun every morning or whatever. When you have that, it starts to, I don't know, it starts to act up on you. Like, it's like, I don't know, I guess my hair is saying I don't want to be in this bun no more. It's taking me out because like it'll start sticking out and I had to use more pins than I usually do, but whatever. So this is the 3rd day braid up. Tomorrow I will have a braid out. And now we are going to work. Like I mentioned before, it's raining, so I need to leave a little early so I don't, you know, like I won't be late. California, oh my God, when it rains, we act like it's never rained before. It's so funny. It's a lot of like TikToks about that or whatever, but yeah, and they're all true. Like you get a drop of rain and people are inching down the street like it's snow outside, okay? All right, see y'all later, bye. All right, I am finally taking down these braids, which have been up for, oh my God, Sunday, Monday, 3 days. 3 days, so let me just do that really quickly. And then we'll see what we have. I took the rubber bands out last night, as usual, just so I could save time this morning. Oh, I think I left one in. Hold on. No, I didn't. Wait. Yeah, I did. See? All right, let me take that out. Okay, now we should be good to go. All right, I think I got them all out. Nope, one more. All right, here we go. Oof. Oh, all out, right? Yep. Okay. So, just get these. That is good. They are pretty good. All right, I'm going to put some more oil on it. Ride or die, as usual, Carol's daughter. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. It's gonna fall, but that's okay. But we're good, right? All right, so here is our outfit of the day. This sweater is H&M. It's actually not thrifted. I actually bought it at the store, believe it or not. But these pants, they're H&M too, but they're thrifted. Look at that. You see the pattern? Cute, right? I got them. They still had tags on it at the store, and they were like $4. I don't know. Anyway. So excited about that. And then my Adidas, and that is it. My son always laughs and says, "Mom, you're wearing a teacher fit." He calls them teacher fits, but whatever. I like it. It's comfortable. I feel like it's casual. It's professional, whatever. It's high school, right? And you guys saw the hair, and that's it. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna show you a quick Christmas tour because I decorated what, right after Thanksgiving? But let me show you real quick right now. All right, it's still dark outside. It's early in the morning. So this is the tree that we have in the living room. So we're in the living room. We got it long time ago we got it. Probably about 8 years ago. And it's pre-lit. So I'm not in love with the colored lights anymore, but there's nothing I can do about it, and we haven't bought a new Christmas tree yet, but we will pretty soon. So, or we will next year, whatever. So anyway, I got my son's little ornaments from when he was a little kid. But anyway, so this is the Christmas tree. I'll probably have to take a picture in the daytime, but this is just like gold and you know, colored bulbs or whatever. And so that's that one. All right, so now let's move into the family room where we have another tree. So this is my itty bitty tree, and I love this one. This one's red and white, and I got the little red ribbons on it and the little presents at the bottom. How cute is that? And then over there on the mantle I have my garland with the lights wrapped around it. I actually did that myself, put little ornaments on there, you can see. And then down here, oh, let me turn the light, duh Shae. Down here I have my poinsettias that I went to Lowe's for at 6 a.m. on Black Friday to get. And then I also have like a little Christmas blanket that I got from Home Goods, so that's that. Over here, the bar area is so dirty right now, but I have these little trees that I got from the 99-cent store a few years ago, right? How cute is that? And that is it.